So students, today we are going to start a very important topic which we have already started in our last class, that is mensuration. Okay. So in mensuration, today we are discussing about the concept of perimeter. Okay. So I am going to discuss what is perimeter now. You can see the word perimeter came from two different words. One is peri, another one is meter. Okay. Now remember, this peri means होता है all around, all around, and meter means the measurement. Meter means measurement. Okay. So now understand, it means ultimately the word perimeter means the measurement of the sides all around. Okay. इट मीन्स जिस भी फिगर के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, जिस भी फिगर के बारे में आपको पेरीमीटर निकालना है, दैट मीन्स द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दैट फिगर विल बी द मेजरमेंट ऑफ साइड्स ऑल अराउंड. इट मीन्स अगर हम बात करें इस फिगर की, सी सपोज दिस इज माय फील्ड. यहां पर मैंने रोज फ्लावर प्लॉट करके रखे, ठीक है. इसमें ये मेरा फील्ड है जो कि मेरे घर के पास में, और इसमें मैंने रोज फ्लावर लगाए हुए हैं, ठीक है. एंड फॉर सेविंग माय रोज फ्लावर, कि कहीं इसको एनिमल्स खा ना जाए, कहीं कोई इसको डिस्ट्रॉय ना कर दे, आई वॉन्ट माई this field to be covered up. Covered up matlab I can fence it, I can do boundary, I can use wiring, any of the thing I can use it for saving my field. And for saving my field, I want the boundary of this field. Boundary matlab isko main चारों तरफ से cover करना चाहती हूँ, हर तरफ से. So इसको cover करने के लिए क्या करूंगी बेटा मैं? I will be using the wire, I can be using the fencing or any of the thing, any of the medium. सो रिमेंबर, उसके लिए हमें यूज करनी पड़ेगी इसकी पूरी बाहर वाली साइड्स. एंड रिमेंबर, बाहर वाली साइड मींस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल अराउंड. आई हैव टू पुट द बाउंड्री ऑल अराउंड. सो ऑल अराउंड के लिए आई विल बी यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ, yes, I will be using the concept of perimeter. ठीक है. So for perimeter, what I can do is, remember, I can be taking this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. For saving my field, I will be using boundary or thin wire, or I can be using the fencing of it. So here I am taking the measurement of all around. So here the concept of perimeter comes in. ठीक है. अब सपोज इस रोज फ्लावर के प्लांट को हटा करके नाउ आई वांट अनदर थिंग. सो अब मैंने चाहा कि मैं रोज को हटा करके मैंने सपोज इस फील्ड को इस बार यूज कर लिया राइस के लिए. ठीक है. इसमें मैंने राइस ग्रो कर दी राइस के सीजन के टाइम पे. तो अब मुझे क्या चाहिए, फिर से इसको सेव करना है दोबारा एनिमल से. तो यहाँ पर बार बार जब फसलें, बार बार क्रॉप्स चेंज होंगी, हर बार हमें इसे क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वी यूज, जब हमें किसी फील्ड को प्रोटेक्ट करना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, एक अच्छी बाउंड्री या फेंसिंग का यूज करते हैं. और जब हम फेंसिंग का यूज करते हैं, इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट protecting from all around. And all around concept comes from the word perimeter. ठीक है. So remember, when you talk about perimeter, perimeter means the measurement of all the sides from all around. Okay. Let's understand the concept of perimeter in a more deeper manner from two friends. One friend is Ramu, another friend is Mohan. ठीक है. Now Ramu has a field. Okay. This is the field of Ramu. A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Okay. This is the field of Ramu, and Ramu has used the crops or maybe any of the thing he has used it for whole inside. Okay, and in his village there are so many animals which are who are destroying the crops. Okay, so what he is using, he himself Ramu and his friend Mohan are using the fencing. Fencing मतलब होता है बेटा वायरिंग के थ्रू बाउंड्री करना, है ना, वायरिंग के थ्रू बाउंड्री करना. So what they are using, they are using the concept of perimeter now, or you can call it fencing now, for saving their crops from the animals. Okay, so we will be understanding from Ramu and Mohan how they are doing the fencing of their field. Okay, so may I know from you all that Ramu की field की fencing क्या कहलाएगी? Can you please tell me what will be the perimeter of this figure? Tell me, how can you take out the perimeter of this figure, which is of Ramu? Tell me faster. We want the measurement of the sides all around. Okay, let us understand by Ramu. Ramu says that, I'm talking in the words of Ramu only. Okay, Ramu says that if we want perimeter, or if we want the length of fencing in my field, I want to take the sum of all the sides all around. Okay, so he will be doing the perimeter. How? Look at here. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This is the way of Ramu. How will you find? How he will find out his perimeter of his own field? Okay. Now I am going to Mohan's field. Okay. Now let us see how Mohan is doing. Now Mohan has also a field. This is the field of Mohan, and Mohan की field के लिए we have A, B, C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Okay, Ramu and Mohan are best friends. Okay, Ramu and Mohan are best friends. Now Ramu has saved his field because of fencing. Okay, now Mohan is also thinking the idea for saving his field. So now what he has done, he has asked from Ramu that how can I save my field? So Ramu has helped him and told you can use the concept of fencing for saving the field of yours from animal. So Mohan said that how can I take perimeter? Okay. So Ramu has explained to Mohan that if you want to save your field from animal, you can do boundary or you can fence your field. So Mohan understood very clearly. Okay. और मोहन ने भी सोचा कि मोहन भी अपनी फील्ड को पूरी तरीके से कवर कर लेगा. ठीक है, बाय यूजिंग द वायर or by using the rope or any of the concept he can use, and he will be saving the field from animals. So then what happened? Mohan ne bola, now Ramu, can you please check? I have taken out the perimeter of my field. Okay, so this is the perimeter from the field of Mohan. Please have a look. Now Ramu came and told it is wrong. Now I am asking from you that is it wrong? Actually it is wrong or it is right? Ramu said it is wrong. You have not taken out the right thing. May I know from you all, can you please help me why it is wrong? Chalo, tell me faster. Use your concept and tell me, really Ramu was wrong or really Mohan was wrong? और what do you say? What do you think? रामू हेल्प नहीं करना चाहता है मोहन की, इसलिए ऐसा बोल रहा है. So what do you say? What is your opinion? Write it down the answer in the chat box. Okay. So मोहन को ये बात लगी, मोहन को ये बात फेल्ट हुई कि रामू जो लगता है वो मुझे गलत बता रहा है, क्योंकि उसने तो अपनी फील्ड का पेरीमीटर ऐसे ही निकाला था जैसे मैंने निकाला है, फिर रामू मुझे गलत क्यों बोल रहा है? सो मोहन के मन में तुरंत एक डाउट आ गया, तो मोहन अपने तीसरे फ्रेंड के पास गया, उसका नाम था सुरेश, ओके, एंड ही आस्क्ड फ्रॉम सुरेश दैट मोहन हैज I have taken out this formula for finding the fencing or maybe the finding out the perimeter of my field. Ramu has also done the same work, but Ramu is saying that he is right, but I am not right. Suresh, can you please help me that why he is saying that I am wrong? Suresh has seen everything very properly and he told to Mohan, yes, Ramu is right. You are wrong. Now, why? Let's understand in the language of Suresh. What Suresh said that. So let us understand what Suresh has explained to Mohan. I want you all to please stay focused here. Suresh says that ki perimeter means the length of sides all around. The length of sides all around. अब can you see, जब हम बात करते हैं ऑल अराउंड की बेटा, तो अराउंड में तो ये आता है ना, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया एंड ये हो गया. अराउंड में एफ तो कहीं आया ही नहीं है ना. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट ऑल अराउंड यू आर नॉट टेकिंग अप एफ. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ एफ, है ना, बिकॉज यहाँ पर फेंसिंग हो रही है, बाउंड्री हो रही है, तो अगर बाउंड्री ए बी सी डी ई से हो जाती है तो बेटा एफ तो वैसे ही सेव हो गया, एफ तो वैसे ही सेव हो गया. व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ डूइंग इट? और अगर 20 से कर दिया गया तो उसका फील्ड दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, है ना. सो इट मींस रामू वाज राइट, ही वाज हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड ही वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग इट राइट टू मोहन. ठीक है, सो सुरेश ने ये बात क्लियर कर दी और मोहन को बताया कि यू आर डूइंग इट रॉन्ग. F is the portion which is coming inside and there is no need of taking inside, ठीक है, because perimeter means only the length of all around. So then Mohan understood very properly and got this idea. Now my dear friends who are present in the class, I am asking from you all, can you please tell me, I am also having a field like Mohan and Ramu, and my field is this. Can you please help me because I am not aware how can I find out the perimeter of this figure, okay? So I want the help from you. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G. Can you please help me? This is my field. Please help me. How can I take out the perimeter of my field? Please help me with this. I want the perimeter. I want the fencing of my field. Can you please help me? Please write down your answer in the chat box. Now let me see how many of you are my best friends. So all my friends are explaining me that the perimeter for my field will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. They are telling me G will not be included because G is inside and there is no need of G here because you are talking about boundary and boundary means the sum of sides all around. So this is all around. Okay? और जब हम बात कर रहे हैं बेटा ऑल अराउंड की तो उसमें जी का कोई रोल ही नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द होल पोर्शन ऑफ पेरीमीटर. रिमेंबर, जब भी हम बात करते हैं पेरीमीटर की बेटा तो उसमें अंदर की साइड का कोई भी मतलब नहीं होता है, बिकॉज जब हम अंदर का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करते हैं तो वहां एरिया आ जाता है, नॉट पेरीमीटर. सो जब हम एरिया पढ़ेंगे दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू वेरी डीपली इनटू इट. सो राइट नाउ let us focus on the perimeter of some figures which I am drawing on the board. So all of you write it down on your fair copy. Find the perimeter. Question number 1. There are figures which I am drawing right now, which is not having the perfect boundary, perfect shapes. ठीक है? So these figures means we are calling that those figures irregular figures, है ना? जिनकी कोई साइड बड़ी होती है, कोई साइड छोटी होती है, कोई साइड ज्यादा बड़ी होती है. So those figures are called irregular figures. So I am drawing irregular figures. Okay. So you can find out directly answer. ठीक है, आप डायरेक्ट आंसर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो बेटा. So this is 7 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is again 3 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Find out the perimeter of first figure. Now second one, B. Figure B is this. Measurement is 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is the figure number 2, that is B. Now figure number C. Eight centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. Please find out the perimeter of all these 3 figures which are drawn on the board. I am waiting for your answers. So students, I gave you 3 fields which were irregular fields, and we have to see that what is the perimeter of those fields. So the first figure, 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. 7 and 3 होता है 10, 10 plus 4 होता है 14, 14 plus 5 होता है 19, and 19 and 3 होता है बेटा 22. Okay, so remember here your answer will be 22 centimeter for the question number 1. Do not write down the answer without centimeter. Unit is compulsory. Okay, so the first answer is 22 centimeter. It's easy. Okay, move on to the second one. So I am rubbing the first one. Second one, we have 5 centimeter plus 8, after that 3, then 2, then 5 again. Okay, 5, 8, 3, 2, 5. So 5 plus 8 होता है 13, 13 and 3 16, 16 and 2 18, 18 and 5 23. So the second answer is 23 centimeter. If it is right, give yourself right answer, or maybe tick mark, or maybe star, whatever you feel like. Okay, so this question is also done. Now move on to the question number C, that is for again the perimeter. So in this perimeter you will have 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and again 8 centimeter only. No need of taking 6 centimeter because 6 is a side which is from inside, है ना, अंदर के portion में है बेटा. So there is no need of it. So here you will have 4 and 8 gives you 12, 12 and 7 gives you 19, 19 and 8 gives you 27. So our answer for question number 3 will be 27 centimeter. So if your all the answers are right, give yourself 15 marks out of 15 and put your signature also along with the marks which you have given to you. Okay, please mark this. Very good.